If you want beautiful, bright colors in your watercolor paintings, I think it's very important to start with a clean palette. Some artists like to leave their mixed colors on the palette and then reuse them for future paintings. They say they might have some really good mixtures there and they don't want to lose them. They're afraid they will not be able to do that again. I see a couple problems with this approach. First of all, when we paint, it's not about a specific color or color combination. It's the harmony of color in the painting. So we select 5 or 6 pigments that we're going to use for a painting, and then we use them all over the sheet of paper, and that creates unity and harmony. So if you already have some colors mixed and you don't remember which ones they were, they might just look out of place in your new painting. And if you mix that color one time, have confidence in your artistic ability. You will be able to mix it again, or maybe you will mix even better colors. Start with a clean slate, mix the colors, experiment, and your paintings will be bright and beautiful every time.